What if I told you that one fighter jet costs more than an entire fleet from decades ago? Meet the F-35 Lightning II, America's most advanced, most controversial, and definitely one of the most expensive fighter jets ever built. With a price tag that can exceed $80 million per unit, many people are asking the same question: is it really worth it? In today's video, we're diving deep into the technology, the power, the problems, and the real-world performance of the F-35. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some call it the future of warfare, while others call it a trillion-dollar mistake. What is the F-35? The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin. But this isn't just one aircraft. It comes in three different variants: F-35A, conventional takeoff for the Air Force; F-35B, short takeoff and vertical landing for Marines; F-35C, carrier-based version for the Navy. The idea was simple but ambitious. Create one jet that can replace multiple older aircraft like the F-16, F/A-18, and AV-8B Harrier. Instead of maintaining different fleets, the military wanted a single, unified platform. Sounds efficient, right? Well, not so fast. Why is it so expensive? The F-35 program is one of the most expensive military projects in history. We're talking about over $1.7 trillion in total lifetime costs. So why is it so expensive? 1. Advanced stealth technology. The F-35 is designed to be nearly invisible to radar. Its shape, coatings, and internal weapon bays all reduce its radar signature. 2. Cutting-edge sensors. The jet is packed with sensors that give pilots a 360-degree view of the battlefield. The helmet alone costs around $400,000 and allows pilots to see through the aircraft. 3. Software complexity. The F-35 runs on millions of lines of code. It's basically a flying supercomputer. 4. Multi-role capability. Instead of specializing in one mission, the F-35 does everything: air-to-air combat, ground attack intelligence gathering, electronic warfare, and combining all of that into one aircraft is incredibly costly. What makes the F-35 special? So what do you actually get for that price? Stealth advantage. The F-35 can enter heavily defended airspace without being detected. That alone gives it a massive edge over older jets. Sensor fusion. This is where the F-35 truly shines. Instead of overwhelming the pilot with data, the aircraft combines all sensor inputs into one clear picture. It's like having real-time battlefield awareness at all times. Network-centric warfare. The F-35 isn't just a fighter, it's a data hub. It can share information with other aircraft, ships, and ground units instantly. In modern warfare, information is power, and the F-35 dominates here. Beyond visual range combat. The F-35 doesn't need to get close to destroy its enemies. It can detect, track, and engage targets long before being seen. the problems and controversies.
35.
But the F-35 isn't perfect. In fact, it's been heavily criticized. Cost overruns. The program went way over budget by hundreds of billions. Maintenance issues. The jet requires extensive maintenance and support systems. Some reports say it's not always mission ready. Software bugs. Early versions suffered from glitches and delays. Not the best dogfighter. Critics argue that the F-35 isn't as agile as older fighters like the F-16. In close-range combat, that could be a disadvantage. So the question becomes, is the F-35 trying to do too much?
During recent operations, we scrambled to intercept Russian aircraft in the North Atlantic. The Royal Norwegian Air Force joined NATO Air Force missions in 2020 marching of Norwegian F-35, following the country's declaration of initial operational capability. This summer, with the help of the U.S. Air Force,
Real-world performance.
supports my nation's defense strategy by taking over recent.
Despite the criticism, the F-35 has proven itself in real-world operations. Countries around the world are using it, including United States, United Kingdom, Israel, Japan, Australia. In combat scenarios, the F-35 has shown high survivability, superior situational awareness, effective strike capability. Pilots often report that once they fly the F-35, they never want to go back. Global impact.
Supports my nation's defense strategy by taking over these.
The F-35 isn't just a jet. It's a global program. Over a dozen countries are part of it. This creates strong military alliances, shared technology, interoperability between nations, but it also raises concerns. Some countries worry about dependence on U.S. technology. Others see it as a strategic advantage.
Operational F-35 squadrons within our armed forces. Nearly every month, we receive new jets from our Italian partners FECO in Cameri, Italy. At the same time, we are training our maintainers and reorganizing our complete fighter branch into a true fifth-generation Air Force. The most transformative aspect of the F-35 air system.
So, is the F-35 worth it? The answer isn't simple. If you're looking for the fastest jet, maybe not the most agile fighter, probably not. But if you want the most advanced technology, superior battlefield awareness, long-term dominance in modern warfare, then yes, the F-35 might be worth every dollar. It's not just a fighter jet. It's a glimpse into the future of war.
Industry partners, how is sustainable? We are now including a partnership that stands for us.
So, what do you think? Is the F-35 a revolutionary masterpiece or an overpriced experiment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more military tech deep dives. And I'll see you in the next video.
All while remaining affordable, it will increase the success of this system. The value of the F-35 partnership, next to the economies of scale, and allowing Netherlands industrial participation, is being a participant in a large international program that we allow to draw on other regional experiences, which has been highly appreciated. Another focus area is the construction of a brand new Danish F-35 facility at Airbase Stuttgart, specifically designed to support